Okay, so good afternoon, all of you. Today we will see analysis of transistor amplifier using your simplified hybrid model, or you can say your approximate model. So in the earlier class, we have seen that exact calculations of your current gain, your voltage gain, okay, input impedance, output impedance of the transistor amplifier circuit. So in most of the cases, what happens, we need approximate values of current gain, voltage gain, input impedance, and output impedance or admittance. Okay, rather than this exact solutions. Okay, exact calculations. So in this particular class, we will see about analysis of transistor amplifier using approximate hybrid model. Okay, so in order to get it approximate hybrid model, okay, there is one rule is there. Like if we have that HO, okay, that your HOE into the load resistance is less than 0.1, then and then only we can proceed with the approximate analysis of that transistor. Okay, otherwise we can't proceed with the approximate analysis of the transistor. Okay, then we if it is not true, okay, HOE dot RL or HOE multiplied by RL is less than 0.1. If it is not true, okay, then and then we can have the exact analysis or exact solution for these parameters. Okay, so let's start. The first parameter is your current gain. First parameter is your current gain. Okay, so current gain, that is your AI. Okay, so AI is nothing but we have seen that AI is nothing but that is HFE divided by, okay, I'm talking about common emitter. Okay, I'm talking about common emitter amplifier configuration. So I will put substitute here E. Okay, so HFE, okay, divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Okay, and then in this case we have to neglect HOE parameter. So HOE becomes, you can say, tends to 0. If we neglect HOE, so we have this current gain AI is nothing but HFE. Sorry, this is minus HFE. Okay, the formula is in the minus HFE. So this is what your uh, the current gain after neglecting HOE. Now the second parameter is your input impedance. Okay, input impedance, that is ZI, the input impedance, that is your ZI, or sometimes it's called as RI. Okay, RI. So you know that this ZI is equals to HIE plus HRE into AIRL. Okay, so this is what your input impedance RI, or you can say ZI. So here, if we neglect, okay, if we neglect this term HRE, so we will neglect here HRE. Okay, then what will we have? We have RI, or you can say it is equals to ZI, that is equals to only this term is there, that is your HIE, that is your HIE. The next parameter, please mute your mic. Okay, so next parameter is your number 3, that is your voltage gain parameter. Voltage gain, okay, that is AV. Okay, so AV, we have the formula, that is AI into RL divided by RI. I can rewrite this as AI into RL divided by HIE. This is the formula for your voltage gain, or you can say in the approximate analysis, or you can say a simplified analysis. So next one is your output admittance, or output. First we will calculate output impedance. Okay, output impedance, that is your RO. Okay, so how do I find output impedance? It is depend upon your admittance, that is YO factor. Okay, so your RO is nothing but 1 by YO. Okay, RO is nothing but 1 by output admittance. Okay, so we have the formula for YO, which is nothing but HOE minus HFE HRE divided by HIE plus your source resistance, that is RS. Okay, here also we will neglect the term HOE and HRE. Just wait it hangs. So just wait for a minute. Yes. So here we will neglect the term HOE and HRE. Okay, so if we neglect this term, then your YO becomes 0. Okay, because this is also 0 and your HRE is also 0. HOE and HRE will be 0, so your output admittance is 0, and this implies your output impedance, that is your RO, is nothing but 1 by YO, and that is equals to infinite. Okay, that is equals to infinite. One more term is there. Okay, one more term is there. We will calculate RO dash here. RO dash, which is nothing but your output impedance RO, which is in parallel with your RL. Whenever you see that two-port network circuit, so here we have this RL, and when we look at this, so we have that output impedance is that is RO. So RO is nothing but parallel with your RL. Okay, so this is defined as RO dash, and which is equals to, now if you can see that RO is nothing but infinite, and if it is parallel with RL, so it becomes your RL. Okay, so this is what the can say simplified model for common emitter configuration hybrid model. Okay, simplified hybrid model for common emitter configurations. Now we'll see the problems. I will take one or two problems. Okay, and then I will give few of the problems as called examples, or maybe uh, 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 called examples from the book. Okay, example. I don't know how it is hangs. So if you can note down a common emitter amplifier, is is driven by a voltage source of internal resistance, so RS has been given. Okay, RS is equal to 800 ohms, and the load impedance is a resistance RL is equals to 100,000 ohm. Full point. The H parameter R HIE has been given 1K ohm. HRE, it's not 2K, it's 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Then HOE has been given 25 micro A by V, okay, ampere per volt. And then HFE has been given is 50. What they have been asked is you have to compute the current gain told compute current gain, that is AI, input resistance, that is RI, voltage gain AV, and output resistance, okay, that is RO. Oh my God. Just wait, that my Microsoft whiteboard is hanging sometimes. Okay. Okay. I don't think. Okay. So this was the problem, and then you have to find out the current gain. Find current gain. I will write in the symbol. Okay. AI, input resistance, that is Ri or Zi is equals to how much, and then voltage gain, that is your AV. Okay, voltage gain AV is how much, and then output resistance, that is your RO. Using number one, exact analysis, and number two, approximate analysis. Approximate analysis. Okay, so let us start one by one. So you have to mug up that formula is okay if you don't remember that formulas or uh, okay. So current gain, the first parameter I will find out current gain, that is AI, and which is equals to minus of HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Now just you if you have calculators, okay, all the values are with you, you can directly put what is the AI, okay, instead of putting all these values what is HFE. Okay, for this first example I will put this value, or you can directly calculate and then you can write this value. Okay, so approximately, so no need to write each and every value. Likewise I'm writing here 1 plus 25 HOE is nothing but 25 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is micro. Okay, and into 10 to the power minus 3, and which comes out to be minus of 48.78. so your current gain is 48 minus 48.78. The second term is input resistance, that is Ri or Zi. Okay, so second term is input resistance. I will write it in terms of Ri. Okay, Ri, that is equals to HIE minus HFE into HRE, okay, divided by HOE plus YL was there. Okay, so input resistance Zi value will be equals to HIE minus HFE into HRE divided by, shall I write it here? It will misplace again, okay, because it is hanged right now. So 1 plus HI minus HFE into HRE divided by HOE plus you have YL. Okay, YL, or I will write it as in terms of RL. So 1 by RL. And if you put these values on the values, so HI value you can put 1000, and then HFE is minus 50. Okay, so I will put this value. Okay, first 1000 minus 50 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 plus 1 by RL, that is 1 by 1000, and then your ZI comes out to be 990. Okay, I have this direct values. Okay, 990. Okay, so the next term is your voltage gain. Voltage gain, that is AV. Voltage gain, that is AV. So AV is equals to AI into RL by RI. Okay, that we have, that is minus 48.78. This just we have calculated, multiplied by load resistance value divided by your input resistance, that is ZI or RI. Okay, so it is 990.24 ohm. So that comes out to be minus 49.26. Okay, this is the value of your AV. This is ZI. Next is your output resistance. I can calculate output resistance in terms of, as we have output admittance value. Okay, so the fourth factor is your output resistance. I have to find out output resistance, that is RO. Okay, so but we have the formula for output admittance YO. YO is nothing but HOE minus HFE into HRE divided by HIE plus source resistance RS, that comes out to be 25 10 to the power minus 6 minus 50 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4 divided by HI 1000 plus RS 800, and this comes out to be 1.94, okay, into 10 to the power minus 5 mho. So this is value of YO. This is value of YO. Now what is RO? RO is nothing but 1 by YO. So RO is nothing but 1 by YO, which is equals to 51.42 kilo ohm. This is the value of RO. Now we have done exact analysis and we have find out this values of current gain, voltage gain, input resistance, and output resistance. Okay, which has been asked in the this problem. And the second method, that is we have to find out each and every value in terms of approximate analysis or the simplified analysis. Okay, so second method I'm writing here. Second method, that is approximate or simplified analysis. Approximate or simplified analysis. So I will directly put the values, that is AI in the approximate analysis. AI, our current gain, is nothing but minus of HFE. And what is HFE? HFE, the 50 has been given, so minus of 50. So if you compare this value with the earlier AI, so it's nearly approximate around. Okay, so I will take this value. Okay, if my laptop, okay, if you have written that value, you can compare. Okay, I can't go beyond now. Okay, so next value is my Ri, that is HIE, that is nothing but 1 kilo ohm. And then third value is the voltage gain, which is equals to minus HFE. into RL divided by HIE. This is what the approximate solution which we have got, and that is equals to put the value minus 50,000 divided by 1000, and which comes out to be minus of 50 AV current gain. And as you know that output, oh my god, okay, so output is equals to infinity. Okay, so I'll give you one another problem for your homework. Okay, and I will stop because my system is not allowing me to do that right now. Okay, because it is multiple times hangs and everything is tumbling here. Okay, I'll share in the that your group. Okay, so I will stop right now. That's all for today's class.